Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful Expedition, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system. Come see the car for yourself.